What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see right here, we have BIOR, Biora Therapeutics. Yesterday was 31.17% off. The market is going to be opening in around 6 minutes. So, yeah. What are we expecting today is because we got the shift right here. Overall, for me, definitely makes sense to take it higher either from this area or like this whole thing right here. It's just a valid argument for me. And honestly, do you know what? This is kind of the high that we're aiming for at the moment. For me, it just makes more sense for the thing to just maybe just do this, then actually come into that demand and then continue higher. Both of the scenarios are pretty fine. So I'm going to go with this, for example. That's about it for the video. Let me know what are your thoughts. Also, keep in mind that also an important thing is to make sure you do your own due diligence and all this stuff. And I'll take this as a financial advice. Also, like the goddamn video. See ya.